So today we're gonna aim to try and finish the upper section. Tomorrow is gonna be a lot of rain, so we have to use today and try to get as much as possible done. But no further ado, let's dive right into the video. Guys, what I'm basically doing right now, maintaining the same level from that previous wall that we already started from yesterday. We're carrying the same level come right around. This is the level that we're gonna start our flashing. Usually want to start your flashing no less than 6 inches from the roof up. That's where I normally put it. Now we're going to install our flashing. Over here, we want to lock over this piece of flashing over. We want to tuck the slip over and push it right over on top of this one here. That way we lock it right over on top. So as you see guys, I finished set up my flashing, and I build up from down. We build up like maybe 2 feet down there. We lay bricks come all the way up. On my roof here, I measure 6 inches up to here. That's where I start my flashing. And as you see here, we overlap this section. Over here as well, lip it in, bring it right over, put our flashing onto this one over here. So we're going to put our paper now and continue on with our stonework. So before you want to put stuff up here, so here I'm gonna have to drill in, screw in some brick ties as we go here. If this was from start planned, you want to put it every 3 courses. You want to put a brick tie, 1 brick tie here when you're laying the brick, another 3 courses, another brick tie over here, and keep on going, carry on up, and every 3 courses you leave a brick tie out. That's how I usually tie them in. fascia board started. Put this one right there, just like so. So we're gonna sit this one. We need to put a nail or two to secure it. Then we're gonna put our plastic now. Set it like this because after we're gonna put paper right here. Let me do that right now. Going, guys. Hope all is well. And if you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and comment down at the bottom that I subscribe. Thank you. Truly appreciate it. Once you finish, guys, as I always say in my video, you want to run your level like long way this way. Just make sure that all the stone is touching onto the level. The reason for that, we want when they come to put their soffit, it flush right onto the stone. We don't have any huge gap underneath the stone, so that's the reason why I did that. So now we're gonna do our joint. Okay, folks, there you have it. Finish our gable. If you get value from this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button for more upcoming video like this one. And I'd love to have you a part of the team. So hit that subscribe button so you can come back and watch some more video of me doing stonework, brickwork, concrete, block, carpentry, you name it. We do it all over here. As always, thank you. Appreciate you being around. You be safe. Peace out.